BLACK+DECKER SplitBrew. Hot or iced, your perfect coffee fix anytime. Say goodbye to coffee compromises and hello to the ultimate brew-it-your-way machine. The BLACK+DECKER SplitBrew 12-cup coffee maker is your one-stop shop for both hot and iced coffee, delivering barista-level flavor in the comfort of your home. Whether you need a piping hot cup to kickstart your day or a refreshing iced brew to cool down, this machine's cutting-edge brewing technology ensures no weak, watered-down disasters, just pure, bold, and satisfying coffee every single time. Programmable, powerful, and packed with features, this coffee maker is your new morning MVP. Most coffee makers force you to pick a lane, but not this one. The SplitBrew technology lets you brew rich, full-flavored hot or iced coffee in the same carafe, no extra gadgets needed. Unlike traditional iced coffee that turns into a sad, diluted mess, this bad boy brews 75% stronger to keep your coffee bold and flavorful even over ice. Plus, with the Sneak a Cup feature, you don't have to wait for the whole pot, just pause, pour, and sip your way to happiness instantly. Hate waiting for your coffee? Set it up the night before and wake up to the smell of fresh, hot, or iced coffee waiting for you. With quick touch programming, just set the clock, schedule your brew, and let the machine do the rest. The 4-hour keep warm plate ensures your coffee stays at the perfect temperature while the auto-clean function keeps things fresh and low maintenance. Who knew getting your caffeine fix could be this easy? Say hello to next level taste. The exclusive Vortex technology evenly saturates your coffee grounds, unlocking full-bodied flavor and rich aroma in every sip. No more weak, uneven brews, just consistent, high-quality coffee that rivals your favorite café. Plus, the Duralife glass carafe ensures long-lasting durability while the ergonomic handle makes for easy, spill-free pouring, whether you're serving hot coffee or storing iced coffee in the fridge. Why drop $5 a day on coffee when you can brew your own gourmet-style hot and iced coffee at home? With the BLACK+DECKER SplitBrew, you can save over $1,000 per year while customizing every cup to your taste. Durable, affordable, and packed with premium features, this coffee maker is the game changer your mornings need. Ready to elevate your coffee game? Click Add to Cart before your next caffeine craving kicks in.